Hello everyone, you're welcome to the Mike Earn Weekly Forex Market Update. And this week we're looking at, in this video, we're looking at the Euro USD, GBPUSD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pairs. So now I want you to pay attention. So before we get into the video, before I start making the analysis or doing the analysis, I want you to take note of this. You can join my free forex trading channel. I give free trading signals on that channel. Yes, and everyone who has been following the signals will tell you how profitable they are because they have actually been profitable. So go ahead and join the channel. The link to the channel is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser and use the link. The link to the channel is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser and use the link and join the channel so you can also be getting free trading signals that will take your trading to the highest level. This is not a bluff, it is the truth. I know what I'm talking about, and you can confirm it for yourself. You can join the channel and confirm for yourself that these signals are highly profitable. And also, if you like for me to manage your trading account, you can reach out to me. My contact is in the description below. My direct Telegram contact. Copy the link, paste it to your browser, and use the link to reach out to me. And let's talk about it. Let's talk about you joining the. Let's talk about about me managing your trading account. We talk about the commissions. We talk about profits and all that. Mind you, I only get commissions when I make profits. So that also is one thing you need to know. I do not make money if I don't make money for you. So you can reach out to me and let's talk. So let's go into the video of the day. Let's start with Euro USD. So let's take a quick look at the weekly time frame first. What's up with the weekly time frame? Well, what I can see is this. I can see this move here. I can see this trend line, this blue trend line right here, and I've seen this. I can also see this bearish week close below that level, right? You've seen the markets come into that weekly trend line and then close below the previous candle. So that gives me the idea that probably the markets might drop from there. So going down to the daily time frame, one of the things I would say is this: possibly the market will do a little bit of retracement before it continues to the downside because of the current, move, because of that weekly close, right? And that's the weekly outlook. What I'm saying on the weekly, time frame, on the weekly outlook of this. But for the daily, if I'm looking at the daily time frame, what I'll be looking out for is this: if I see price push high and come back into this zone, this same high, previous high, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, if it gives us a bearish day close, if price comes into that zone and comes close to the previous high and then gives us a day close below that 1.09139 zone, then I would suggest that you go for a sell, and you should go for a one-to-one sell. Yeah, go for a one-to-one sell. Go for a sell, target one-to-one RR for that sell. That's what I would suggest. Now for the other opportunity, if price comes into if price comes into the zone after several days, maybe like 4 or 5 days, if price comes into this zone and it gives us a bullish day close above the 1.06402 zone, it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. You can go for a buy in such a scenario. You can go for a buy opportunity in that kind of scenario. Go for a one-to-one in that kind of scenario. Don't forget, only take any of these scenarios or any of these opportunities if they meet your own personal trading confirmation. So now let's go to the GBPUSD. So for GBPUSD, what do we have on the weekly? We have this bearish move and this bullish move, and currently we see a pin bar. If we're just judging by the pin bar, we might expect some lower moves in the new week, right? So I would suggest that you expect some bearish moves in the new week. That's from the weekly perspective. But if we are to go to the daily perspective, if we are to look at the daily perspective, if price comes back into this zone and gives us a double top, then it gives us something like a double top. It doesn't have to necessarily be a double top. If price comes back into this zone and gives us something like a double top, it comes into this 1.30061 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone. I would suggest that you go for a sell. Go for a one-to-one sell. In this kind of scenario, go for a one-to-one RR sell, and that will be sufficient. But if price continues lower and then comes into a zone like I'm quite skeptical if I'll be looking for buy opportunities around this zone. I'm really skeptical that I would. But if price comes into this zone, definitely I'll be looking out for buy opportunities if I observe this move. If I observe this market, or if I see this kind of move, if I see price drop to this 1.24344 zone and it gives a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. You can also go for a one-to-one, go for a one-to-one RR in both cases. Don't forget, you should only take any of these scenarios if they meet your personal trading confirmation. So let's go to the USDCHF. For the USDCHF, there's still an expectation, a pending expectation I have there. Oh, okay. So I think I predicted maybe on Monday or Tuesday when I made the last video that if price pushes higher and comes into the zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll be expecting a one-to-one sell. So that is still very valid. Still very valid. If it happens, I'm looking out for a one-to-one. You should look out for a one-to-one sell right there. But if price comes back if price breaks below this, or should we look at this one? Okay, let's look at this one. If price comes back into this 0.87647 and gives a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Go for a one-to-one buy right there. But if price doesn't do that, if price breaks below that and comes into this 0.86983 zone and gives a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a one-to-one buy as well if it meets your trading confirmation. In another scenario, if price pushes high and comes into this 0.90303 zone and gives a bearish day close below that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a one-to-one sell as well. So that's what I'll be looking out for on the USDCHF USDCHF currency pair. The market is a ranging market, so you just want to be neutral when it comes to the trend. Just go for one-to-ones and be good. Don't overstay your welcome. So let's go to the USDJPY now. USDJPY currency pair. So let's look at the weekly time frame. What's the weekly time frame telling us? It's a bullish market, very bullish, and we've seen that bullish move. But in recent times, it appears as though the market has not been flying as it did in previous times. So what should we expect? This is what I would expect. Let me zoom in. I would expect that of course, I would expect to see price push higher. From the weekly perspective, I would expect to see price push higher, because it's a bullish market. But let's go down to the daily and see for ourselves. So if price is to push higher, what should we expect? I think maybe a double bottom would be a good one. If price comes back into this 147.484 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. You can go for a 1-to-1, you can buy to the next zone, which is the 147.761 zone, or you can hold and see if it will come as far as this 150.778, or even a lot higher than that. Right? That's the opportunity, that's the beauty of trading with the trend. It's possible that price continues to push higher. Yeah. But in another scenario, if I see price push and come into this 151.831 zone and it gives a bearish day close below that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Go for a 1-to-1 sell and end it there. Go for a 1-to-1 RR sell for that opportunity. And don't forget, don't take any of these opportunities if they don't meet your own personal trading confirmation. You're not going to blame me for your own losses. You have to be smart about your trading. So that is it for the videos this week. That's it for the weekly forex market forecast. But before you go, I'd like to remind you that you can get absolutely free trading signals that are highly profitable. Every trading signal, I tell you the truth, every trading signal that I post is what I'm taking myself, because I know how profitable they are. So yes, they may be free, but trust me, they are highly valuable. They are free signals, but they are highly valuable. So if you would like to get these free trading signals, you can copy the link in the description below. Copy the link to the trading channel, the free Mike Earn channel. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and use the link to join the channel. Join the channel and expect the signals. You get signals, highly profitable trading signals that would really take your trading to the highest level. This is not a bluff. This is just stating the facts. Yes, highly profitable trading signals. What else? Yes, if you like me to manage your trading account, you can reach out and I would, do just that. We'll talk about we'll talk about everything we need to talk about and get started. My contact is in the description below. Yeah, my direct Telegram contact. Copy the link, paste it in your browser and use the link. Chat me up and let's talk about how you can start with the trading account management service that I offer. Yeah. So that is it for now. Yeah, don't forget, let me mention this again. The trading signals I offer are highly profitable. Let me repeat that again. The trading signals I offer are highly profitable. They are free, but they are highly profitable. Don't miss out on them. I beg you, do not miss out on them. They will take your trading to the highest level of profitability. It's not a bluff, it's a fact, and you can come and confirm it by yourself. The trading signals I offer will take your trading profits to the highest level. Do you understand that? To take your trading to the highest level of profitability, copy the link in the description below. Copy the link to the MyCam channel, paste it in your browser and join us, and you get signals. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Bye bye.